To Disney this day, I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2000, the Autopia at Disneyland reopened with much longer tracks, including a new off-road section. It had updated cars that replaced the original Chevrolet Corvette Stingray style cars, and these cars were styled after their new sponsor, Chevron, and their animated Chevron Cars line that was made into advertisements and toys. They were named Dusty, an off-road style car, Sparky, a sports car, and Susie, a Volkswagen Beetle-ish car. Did you know this? Do you like them? Which one's your favorite? I don't have one. Anyway, have a magical day.